Hello everyone, my name is Josubhan and I welcome all of you to the video resume tutorial 2. In video resume tutorial 1, we learned what is video resume. And today we shall learn the points to remember while making a video resume. First of all, duration of video. Friends, for your clarity, an ideal video resume duration should be of 60 seconds to 90 seconds only. Yes, you heard it right. Beyond that, it may not be noticed. The second important point is appearance. Appearance means how do you look? Do you look presentable? In this regard, we need to keep two aspects in mind. First, attire. How and what do you wear while recording? Second, body language. How is your eye contact, facial expression, gesture, posture, and movement? Let's discuss attire first. It's always said, dress as per the occasion. Do not forget, your resume will be seen by recruiters. Hence, wear formal and look presentable. It helps you look confident and professional as well. A few guidelines for the boys and girls while recording. For boys, it's a clean shaven face and well combed hair. Face with well trimmed beard will go well too. For girls, either a bun or a pony hairstyle will go good. The second most important aspect under appearance is body language. I must tell you friends, body speaks a lot, which is always noticed before the words are uttered. Under body language, eye contact plays a major role. Hence, look at the camera while presenting. Friends, all of us know smile goes a mile. A cheerful face always generates a connect and acceptability. Hence, carry a cheerful facial expression while shooting. For any live presentation, gesture and posture play pivotal roles to create next level impact. Hence, be flexible in terms of your hand and head movement. Remember, open posture is always preferred over hands closed throughout. Next triggering question is, do we need to move while recording? And the answer is, avoid. Prefer to stand stable and deliver with open posture. How can my presentation be impactful without sound? Yes, sound is another crucial element for your presentation. Sound denotes voice, tone, and pitch. Simple guideline is, you must sound loud and clear. Avoid sounding too loud, dull, melodious, and funny. You must sound enthusiastic, being simple. You can also use collar microphone for recording your video for a better sound output. There are three major supporting elements which makes your video resume impactful. They are background, environment, and visual effects. Let's quickly discuss background and environmental limitations. Do not compromise with the background. Firstly, it has to be a noise-free location. And secondly, you must locate a neat and tidy background with proper lighting. One tasteful way is to use white color for the background screen. Last but not the least, visual effects. Adding visual effects is not mandatory. However, it can always add to its impact. A basic video editing skills to filter the voice, to add images, and to change background screen will help you adding visual effects to your video. Or you can hire a professional service for the purpose. I believe this video tutorial can certainly help you to make a video resume of your own. If you have any question, please use the comment box below. Stay alert and stay subscribed to my channel for my next video on what to say in a video resume. Thank you.